A number of significant details regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphone line, which is scheduled to debut in January 2024, have already been leaked online. There will be 4 color options for the flagship Galaxy S24 Ultra: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium yellow, and titanium violet. It's interesting to note that the term titanium refers to both the hue and the material that makes up the phone's frame. As a result, the names of the colors will contain the word titanium to highlight this distinctive quality. The new model's frame hues have been made public by the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus SIM trays, providing us with a preview of the new colors that the base Galaxy S24 models will sport. Certain colors might only be available on the official Samsung website, and although some people might find the new hues energizing, others would not. Even though it is not as obvious as Apple's iPhone 15 Pro series, some reports indicate that Samsung may follow Apple's lead and add a titanium frame to its top-tier model. The Galaxy S24 Ultra likely won't seem all that different from the S23 Ultra. Even so, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, a powerful smartphone from Samsung, which weighs 234 grams, will still be far lighter than the largest flagship iPhone from Apple, which weighs between 221 and 240 grams. Although the Galaxy S23 Ultra's frame is already made of lightweight aluminium, there are rumors that Samsung will use titanium for the S24 Ultra's frame, which might make it lighter. Nevertheless, the difference may not be that great. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is believed to have a brighter display than the Galaxy S23 Ultra, with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, despite Samsung typically using the same AMOLED display across the Galaxy S line. The 6.8-inch display and 3800 by 1440 resolution, on the other hand, stay the same. All things considered, this is a little improvement that most users won't notice or need. Thus, even if Samsung decides to use titanium for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's frame, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is already lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max that is made of stainless steel. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is a fantastic option for people who like to watch videos or play games on their smartphones because it may also feature a brighter display than its predecessor. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.